Hi, welcome back to Everyday Gourmet Meal Enhancements Made Simple. I'm Don Reed, owner of Strawberry Tree Farm Sales, with another cooking tip to either save you time, avoid frustration, or bring out your natural creativity. Your family is going to smile and say, "Oh yes, that is so good. Let's do it." In this segment, we're going to create some authentic Louisiana deep in the bayou flavor. Our Cajun red beans and rice mix is a perfect launching pad for any kind of stew or gumbo that you can imagine. It's incredible with things like andouille sausage, green chilies, or fish. Best of all, 0 grams of trans fat, 8 grams of protein. Today we're going to use it with diced tomatoes, pre-cooked andouille sausage, and 6 cups of water. Okay, here's all we do for the Cajun red beans and rice and andouille sausage. We're going to use 6 cups of water, our mix, 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, and our pre-cooked andouille sausage. What we're going to do is bring everything to a boil, and we're going to cook it on simmer for 15 minutes, and then we're going to let it stand for another 10 before serving. All we did was combine our Cajun red beans and rice mixture with 6 cups of water, a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, and andouille sausage. We brought it to a boil. We simmer cooked it for 15 minutes. We let it stand for 10. It's now perfect. We're getting ready to serve it for dinner. Wish you could be with us.